Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. This is Yatha Chauhan for GitHub Certified. So let's get started with the GitHub Foundation Certification journey. So here I'm going to cover the distributed version control. So if anyone are new and start their foundation journey, so I would suggest first go with the version control which I covered in the past video. So I will give you the link on the I button. So I'll just go through the first. So yeah, let's get started with the real case scenario. Suppose you are working on the development project in which you want to back up your code, in which you want to track your changes, and now you are going to push your code from your local machine to the server. So now in which how you are going to manage each and everything. Suppose you are working on the different version of any application. So yeah, you need to must have the distributed version control in which you are going to change your code from your local to the server and getting the updated code from server to the local. Clear? So yeah, you can see the definition that very simple. You can track your history and changes. You can change your code and share with others directly. Not like a zip file. Okay, like we are going to share the zip file on any WhatsApp and change that code and again back to that person. No. Okay. No need to do anything from now onwards. Okay, keep in your mind. I am here to give you the standard way how you are going to develop your project in a very efficient manner. So this is starting journey to become a proper developer with the right knowledge. Yes. So let's get started. Again, you can see example the Git, one of the most popular and used by the developers. So you know the pros, you know the cons, which I already covered in the past video. So yeah, let's get started. The difference between the centralized and the distributed version control. So first you need to understand why we are going to use this system. So you can see in the centralized system, what is the problem? Suppose if single point is going to fail, then all server are going to the down. Now, so also for that, we have a distributed system in which we are going to change the code uh, directly from our local to the server. How? We're getting the copy from server. It's depending on the numbers of users, okay? Doesn't matter how many developers are currently copy that code at the same time. No worries. So yeah, and the second one point that you need to work upon the single location. This is drawback of the centralized version control. So that's going to solve by distributed version control. You can change your code from anywhere, right? You can change your code from your home, from your college, from your office, right? So yeah, that's it. So second one, why? Okay. So yeah, I already told about work office, right? So yeah, the one of the most affecting factor of the speed. How you are going to change your code from your local to the server. How actually it takes time to change on the server side. So yeah, it's a very fast as compared to other version controls. Now the last one, collaboration, the teamwork. So yeah, so clear. I hope you got the point why we need a version control. So yeah, do like, share and comment and subscribe Yatri Cloud to get the latest update when we are going to start the practical series by our third video. Okay, so stay tuned. So yeah, let's back to the third point. How does the distribution version control work? Fine. So let's say you already many of know about how to use the Git, right? So this is the similar process. You need to clone the repository from the server. After getting the copy into your local system, you are going to change the code. Yes. So after changing the code, you are going to save your code locally in your system. Yes. So this is called a commit. You are going to save your changes in your local. Now the third point, push and the pull. Now, after changing the code, if someone want to contribute their code into the same project, then are you going to share that zip file, right? But no, in this case, you are going to push your code from your local to the server via the push command, which we covering into the next video in the Git series. So, understand? Now let's say you want the code from server to the local. So at that time you are using the pull command. Clear? Local to server, we are using the push. From server to the local, we are using the pull command. Yes? Now last one, branches. So let's say you are working on the login page, right? And another developers is working on the backend API, right? So now you are going to change your code, okay? So you are going to create a new branch, the login branch, in which you are going to push the code which is related to the login, okay? And now second one is about backend API. So let's say you are creating another branch, the backend API, in which you are going to change the code which is related to that API concept, okay? So you can easily track and manage your code via branching. And at the end, you merge the code. Don't worry if you are going to confuse the concept. We are going with a practical, then you get the idea how actually it works on the server side, the local side. So, fourth one about Git and GitHub. Git is the distributed version control system, and a GitHub is the web-based platform in which you are going to manage your repository, making the changes and inviting your team members to work on the project. Got it? So Git is the command line. You can pasting down the command, you can write down the command, and you can change the code. And GitHub is the website-based platform in which you are going to work with the UI. Fine. So basic difference about the Git and GitHub right now, we keep it a very simple. Fine. We will discuss on the depth Git versus GitHub. Don't worry. The last one, importance of the distributed version control. One of the most secure and the safety reason, that is your server. How you are going to give a commit that my server is literally safe. So this is a distributed system which is totally safely, and you can manage your project via distributed system. Second one, the flexibility. You can flexible with your code. You can change it anytime, anywhere, directly. So yeah, flexibility you will be getting using the distributed system. And the last one, the collaboration, which already covered. So this is the basic overview about the distributed system, which you need to understand the first before I'm going to start the practical. Yes. So if you clear all the concept which I covered in the version control and the distributed version control, thumbs up and write the comment box. I am Yatri, and let's start with the practical series in the next video in the Git. Fine. So thanks for watching as of now, and subscribe now इसी बात पे, and see you soon in the next video. So till yet, bye bye.